Step 1. Concealer. If you need to brighten your eye area before applying your eyeshadows, apply a light layer of concealer as needed. Using fingertips, or a small, dense brush. Step 2. If you have oilier eyelids or your eye makeup never seems to stay on, use a tiny amount of eye primer and apply all over the eyelids in short patting motions. Be sure to let product dry before moving on to the next step. Step 3. There are 3 main types of eyeshadows: shimmer, satin, and matte. For a natural look, it is best to use light to medium shimmers or satins with a touch of medium matte eyeshadow for a bit of extra definition around the lash line. We'll be using neutral tones today, but you can apply the following steps to other colors, such as peaches and corals, pinks and violets, or blushes and burgundies. Step 4. Brushes. There are 3 main types of eye brushes. 1. Applicator brushes, which are large and dense. 2. Blending brushes, which are small to medium, more pointed, and generally fluffier than applicator brushes. And 3. Detail brushes, which are small, short-bristled, and either flat or pointed for precision application. Step 5. Shimmer. Dip a large eye brush into your lightest shimmer color, tap off the excess, and apply to the inner corner of the eye. Blend towards the center of the eyelid in small, patting motions. Using the same brush, apply your medium shimmer shade to the outer corner of the eyelid, blending towards the center. Pat the color lightly into the crease area. If you have hooded eyes, skip the light shimmer and apply the medium shimmer all over the lid. Step 6. Matte. Before you begin, use your brush handle to create a diagonal guide for your shadow placement by connecting your outer corner of the eye with the tail of your eyebrow. Be sure to always stay within this imaginary line when applying your eyeshadows. Using a small, flat eye brush, apply your medium matte shade to the lash line on the top and bottom eyelid. Keep the color on the outer half of your eye for a softer look. Use a blending brush to blend the eyeshadow evenly. Keeping in mind your imaginary diagonal line, apply a light dusting of matte eyeshadow into the crease area. If you do go out of line, use a cotton bud to remove excess product. Step 7. Lash curler. If you have straighter lashes or simply want to lift them up, curl your lashes at this stage using the lash curler of your choice. Step 8. Mascara. Apply your mascara starting at the root of the outermost lashes. Use firm motions to work your way upward and outward. Use what's left on your wand to apply mascara to the bottom lashes, or skip this step if you don't like having mascara on the bottom eyelashes. Step 9. Lash comb. Use a metal lash comb to separate your eyelashes if they get clumped together. Step 10. Brow pencil. Softly define your brows using a pencil one shade lighter than your actual eyebrows. Draw hair-like strokes in the direction that the hair grows and brush through with a spoolie brush for a more natural effect. Step 11. Brow gel. Use a clear brow gel to set brows into place and make them look more polished. Brush through the brow upward and outward to shape your eyebrow. Bonus: troubleshooting. Use cotton buds to clean up any smudges or mascara marks. Wait until mascara has dried first, then gently wipe off product as you need. You can use these to clean up eyeshadow fallout as well. Remember that some steps are optional and you can skip them if you don't feel the need to use those specific products or tools. The most important is that you're happy with your look, so don't be afraid to adjust some of the steps to your liking.